found favor in my sight, and you will work for me.
We shall leave to carry out your commands, boss.
And we will serve for our energy, boss.
Place your hands on this. Repeat after me. The day we go against your command shall be the day we will die.
The day we will go against your commands shall be the day we will die.
Challenge of power, on your but the gas knows the chosen one. Also Billionaire. Oboda Salokun. Ndekwa bata n'obodo. Oboda Chalokun.
Son of the soil, you are welcome.
Igwe.
Our land is blessed with men of caliber and wealth. Men who have the capabilities of lifting this kingdom high.
Igwe, you can say that again. Igwe have returned to develop this community and also retrieve all this community has lost in the past and also possess the needful way.
Oh yeah, our son, our people do say that if you follow the path of the fathers, you will soon learn and walk like them.
Wow.
Our great son, we are glad over your accomplishment and taking the steps of your fathers. You see, without a leader, the black ants get confused. Some even lost in the path.
Right.
But I am very happy and I believe in you that you will take us to the promised land.
Wow.
You will bring great glory to this land.
Yes, such is the wish of every man that desires the well-being of his people.
Igwe, ejulo moje ejekwa ajadu wani. Makana mama ebe die no.
Nne ya, maka.
Igwe ebutego m ike Pentecost.
Ya botoma.
Ike mbu na anyị ala Igwe. None of our neighboring villages we breathe again when I cough.
Igwe ike nke a na-vibrate n'arụ.
Na anyị ma alụgide ebutego m ike Pentecost Igwe. Ihe ga from today ihe ga-ebido mebe n'obodo a.
Igwe anyị ji nwa oke nwa ebe a. Anyị ji oke nwa ebe a.
Igwe ga-esi na agbala aka na-aza na echichi ya na-etinye echina.
Ọbịa! N'elu!
Oh yeah. Hey, you know say money no be problem. Abanye like if it money quote. You go see say money stop nonsense. Okwe go jino no. Hey, baba nkono. Ochuku na woke jino nkono. Nekwe go bogeni jizi no. Woke balinu woke jino nkono. Hey, nothing will go happen tomorrow. Make it happen today. You say money no problem.
Igwe, the great Ojuku is here.
Ojukwu nwa na-ekwu okwu ya ka anyị na-ekwu. Ebe na Ojukwu nwa na-ekwu okwu ya na ala nri. Ọkwa akụ na-eche mba kwesịrị ọma iwuruke n'eziokwu. Ojukwu nwa na-ekwu okwu ya mụọ na mmadụ na-agbara ọsọ. Ojukwu ogbenye lechara bata na ala nri wee jụ na maka na obi ihe ọma wee bịa n'ime ya odogwu nwoke tete. Onye ka o ji awụdo eke ya eri na abụ eke ha n'olu obi adịgene ya mma. Ojukwu nwa na-ele ya anya odogwu na-ele m anya n'ihu ka ihu si atọ ma amụ. Nwunye gị dị ime ara asatọ ọmụ ụtọ ma enwe echi gwa ya ọkụ n'ike ọ mụọ n'aka ya aka odogwu be m.
Great son of our land.
What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. So you followed us down to this village. I heard it, but never believed it. But now my eyes are certain. Ojukwu, what do you want?
Great sons of Aniri, Omeme, to fight or argue before the great king of Aniri is disrespectful. Please.
An irrational man doesn't know the meaning of sanity. Ojukwu, you can beg from now till eternity. But that also title belongs to me. Okay, nobody try and insist my capability and remain the same.
Then we shall see. Since you've decided to bring your madness here, I will be the one to cure it.
I will shock you.
Odogwu ịma na ụmụazị eti kwachago isi mmọnwụ nya ka anyị na-ebere akwa. Nkeje John Chanota chirukwu na abụwe na ya odoro ogologo zawago na ada aja agbawara ya ọsọ. Mana ite ya mma gara mgbere n'afọ ọrụ obodo ihe eji eme mmọnwụ. Odugwu odogwu. Ọkwa azụ ebu n'isi ma na udu ya na-egeli. Akwa dịka na-agbaji. Ọkpara ya nwe ite ọma ịgbado ọkụ ọkpede ebe ala dị ka odogwu. Mgbasị iji atụ nwaanyị ka ndị ara ji amara ka ọ na-adịrị n'anya. Onye dị ime ala asatọ ọmụ ụtọ ma ikwe ya ọkụ n'ike ọkpọ ya aka. Odogwu akwara ụmụ ebe a na-eme n'ụmụ n'ukwu ogiri isi. Gedekwe n'ukwu fọdụrụ n'aka ma dị ka ya. Odogwu dededero ukwu dajuo. Odogwu dịka na-agbaji kwene na-enwe ịdọ ma gbaju ọkụ.
Oh, Mama. You are back.
Yes, Mama.
Now, welcome.
Mama, how are you?
Nah, I should be the one asking you how you are. You are the one that left house this morning.
Mama, I'm fine. But that work, the work was very stressful. But thank God I finished it.
I know. That is why I am preparing your favorite here.
Huh? Don't tell me you're preparing faku for me.
Oh, Fakumara.
I cannot wait. But I cannot wait.
Nabe Mataramonko.
Yes, now.
Hi. Agonaya.
How am I gonna?
Agonaya. Oh, Fakumara. That is what I'm doing here.
Okay. Mama, stand up. Let me do it for you.
Hey, Mama, please go inside and drink water. Please.
Mama, no.
No.
Me, no. Mama,
let me kiss you.
Don't worry.
How?
Greetings, Father.
How was your trip?
It was my father.
You're welcome.
See you alone.
Hey, I know you're stressed out. Please, sit down.
Thank you, Father.
How was your trip?
Father, my trip was fine, but it was stressful. I'm so exhausted.
You don't get your father's blessing.
Yes.
All you do is relax. Go in there, freshen up, then take your food, relax. We'll talk about your journey later.
Alright, Father. Oh, please, I'm sorry for keeping you standing. Please, take my bag, this particular bag, take it to my room, go back to the car. There are other bags at the trunk of the car. Get them out and take it there. Thank you. Father, I missed you.
And I missed you a lot too. It's good to see you. Yes.
What will happen now is I'll go to my room, take a cool shower, and I hope my favorite is ready.
Oh, no, it's still waiting for you. The mess are there to serve you.
Alright, Father.
Tonight. Oh my God. Hey, Jora is back. Oh, man.
No. The vice no gonna go quadro no company. And Nabala Kanazan, Gigi, and 18 now. How much do you need to make it possible?
Just voice what you need, the amount you need. Let us raise some cash on you.
I am curious about one thing. Agune Chamber 1, aka OZOR Billionaire, is the highest OZOR title in American Kingdom. Anyone who occupies that position stands a chance of becoming the next king and marrying the daughter, the princess, the daughter of the king, and continue the lineage of the king as he has no son. Now, let me ask both of you. Who is going for that title?
Ojukwu bọọpụ ndị a na nri ịjakọ ọzọ pọmpụ na-agbọtụsi ego pọmpụ na-amị ego Ojukwu a na-ekwu okwu ya mmọnwụ na nri odogwu ekelebe mgbe ekele ọnụ onyeokwu na-ekwu ikpere ala nwa ewu ji amụ nne ya ara na pọmpụ na-agbọtụsi ego na nri abịa kwa ọzọ.
You are welcome to my house.
No. Thank you for welcoming me. I'm a very busy man, so I'll go straight to the point.
It's okay.
No, you are a kingmaker. I want you to be my voice. I promise you, I'll give you wealth and power beyond your imagination.
Ojukwu, those who are destined for power doesn't need to fight for it. I am not in the position to give you the title. As long as the king is still alive, the position must be done with favor, respect and dignity. And you must command the favor of the people of this kingdom.
No, you and I know that I command the respect and favor of the people of this kingdom. Oh yes, even the gods know that I am destined for greatness. But the way this life is structured, even when something belongs to you, the wicked people of this world will never give it to you freely. They will still fight for what belongs to you. That is why I have to fight. No, I'm not a child. I know exactly what you need. KC. Sir. No. Trust me, where this is coming from, there is still more. And I believe with this, you will make the right decision.
obodo asalọkụ nụnụ ei ndị nkwabata n'obodo.
You know who is right. The position is meant for one person, and I seek to possess it. Jawa is my cousin, but I cannot compromise the will and chance of gaining power for him. I want the title, and I desire to be made the king of this great kingdom. I am now faced with the reality to fight alone. Yes, to fight alone.
The throne is mine, and I am not willing to step down for anyone. This is an individual fight, and whosoever takes it becomes the winner. I can't afford to lose by allowing my emotions control me. I am a man, and I'm capable of making my own decisions. Jaja and Ojukwu are now threats to me. I can't imagine a day would come when I'll have to fight my own brother.
Great men of our land, I greet you all. I called this meeting to introduce my daughter, Princess Choma, to you all. She came back from abroad, and she has to get used to the happenings of this land. As I said earlier, whoever takes the OZOR title will rule after me as king, and will definitely take my daughter as a wife to continue my lineage.
Igwe, please pardon me. I cannot share the same space with this rascal. Please ask him to leave.
Igwe, please tell this fool to leave, so we can discuss important matters.
No, nobody leaves. We are here for peace. We are not here to fight or quarrel. We are here to look for a way forward for our great kingdom.
Yeah.
OZOR billionaire, obodo asalọkụ nụnụ ndị nkwabata n'obodo. Obodo achalọkụ nụnụ OZOR billionaire, obodo asalọkụ nụnụ ndị nkwabata n'obodo. Obodo enwelọkụ nụnụ onye ọbụla na-asọfọ ma fọfa n'onwe ya, a na-aza eze azọ ka ndụ OZOR billionaire, obodo asalọkụ nụnụ.
Father, I can't believe you humiliated me before those men.
What you call humiliation is the needful that must be done.
What needful are you talking about? Negotiating my marriage without my consent?
Princess, you need to understand that you are my only child and that I don't have a son. It is your responsibility to make sure that our lineage does not lose. Those men are wealthy, and any one of them that emerges with the Agony Chamber title will be given this offer, and whoever has it will definitely succeed me and will eventually marry you.
Father, You don't care about my happiness. I feel nothing for those men. I need to be loved, not to be carried out for an experiment.
My daughter, you will learn to love the chosen one.
Father, I can see that you don't want to understand me. There's no point. Please, I want to be left alone. Excuse me.
If I gonna what do they call this? Like it's a bond. It's like a bond.
It's your Africa. That one is called a chandelier.
A jengene.
A chandelier light. When I was in Porto Novo. In fact, you have said it all. Money is good.
That is why we must work with the person who controls money. Akaji Akomba.
Akaji Akomba with you here. And I'm after sales about
Sure, Africa. Sure, I do.
I want to.
Do whatever it takes to make me get that title. Title of Agune Chamber, one of our land. Do all it takes, leave the rest for me.
Agune Chamber 1.
Agune Chamber 1.
With this envelope, Ijewego, we convince Igwe that you are the best man for the position.
In fact, almost Agune Chamber, okay, Agune Chamber 1.
More will come. More of these things will come.
Agune Chamber 1.
Hey! My boys will get you drink.
Okay, I don't see all you can. If I follow the one of vitamin, if you don't look at
because we must clear this thing today.
You know how we work.
That's the target. And machinery. Hey, welcome.
You see your
I'm impressed.
Yeah, that's how we work.
That's how we work, machinery.
Yes. I'm packing this for you. I know. You need them.
Wow.
This place you have all cleared. Very fine.
That's it.
In fact, I'm not regretting it.
Honest.
And I won't regret it.
You don't have to. This is our profession. Margin is calling us. I told her that we want to finish your work first. She was very. I said, Madam, I'm not working for you. We're working for Madam Beatrice.
That one is not paying us well now.
I trust you. Oh.
You know, you are the only one that is paying us well.
No, we'll pack it for you.
Okay.
We'll pack it.
I'll send somebody to come up.
No. We'll bring it to your house.
You bring it?
Yes, me and my friends.
You see? That's a good one. Hey. I'm impressed.
I'm impressed. I'm much impressed. In fact, I've even increased your money from 2,000 to 2,000.
I like that.
Like, where you come, I'll give you the balance. Hey, I'll give you the balance at night. Hey, I'm going out. Where you come, where you open the door, to the house.
Please don't go out.
I will keep walking. You people are trying.
Yes, man. Let's pack all these things. What you put in your pocket? You don't count it. How much? But how much is she bring now? You're supposed to tell us the business. But you're supposed to tell us how much she brought now. That is the idea. Someone brought money and you put it inside your pocket. Is that how to do something? Ego has never run out. Ego has never run out. Eh? What has I go with it? What is the solution? The one kid of Godfather was when you saw somebody's man to kill him. And you want us to kill him. What two of us are doing?
I must calm down. I'm not going to.
All for you. I'm not going to joke with you.
Hey, you're going to do with money.
Yeah.
No, you didn't. I call him. They go and Akabiko. In fact, let us stop work.
You say you pack this.
Let us share this one. Let us come.
I don't understand. Come now, Rod, so come go and work. Let me just work and let's work on our balance.
Let us finish the work. That place is done. Let us face this side first. Let's face this side and finish this side. Hey, guy, I had to go 3-5.
You are going to bring this.
No, I said all of us.
So, lady, you carry this.
We said we'll carry it for her.
I can't believe my father wants to give me out to those power-possessed men. I understand what your father is trying to do. You're his only daughter, and he doesn't want his lineage to come to an end. Are you supporting my father too? No, don't get me wrong, my princess. I'm just trying to make you understand why he's making those decisions. Besides, who wouldn't choose one of those wealthy men as a husband?
Really? Do you know the source of their wealth?
It's not important. What matters is you have to get someone who can take care of you like the princess you are.
I'm surprised to hear this from you. I'm very, very surprised.
I'm sorry, Your Princess.
Better be sorry. And let's not discuss about this again. Did you hear me?
Yes, my princess.
My friends, or should I say, elders of our land. I was told that Ojukwu invited both of you and filled your pockets with money. No, it's okay. You don't have to act surprised. You don't have to act surprised. I'm aware of everything. But I invited you here to pay double of whatever he paid you. All you need to do is convince the king to find favor with me. $10,000. I repeat, all you need to do is convince the king to find favor in me.
Yeah, we've heard what you said. We will do exactly what you had decided.
Now read my lips. If you are able to convince the king to find favor in me, to give me the title, I promise to sponsor your children to get the best education just like me. I promise to bring development to this community. And I promise to make both of you rich men.
We have heard what you ask. We will make sure that the king finds favor in you alone.
Oh yes.
Great job.
Oh yeah. Yeah, job.
Thank you very much.
My elders, it's obvious you people are coming from a meeting that seems so pleasant to you people. Yes, but what they gave to you people there is peanut to compare with what I'm going to give you people now. As Nabala Kanazan, onye jiji ana etinye ji n'ala. Agbara ọpa nke ichi da ka na ayi ala ada agbati ya. Agbala ụzọ owele mgba ọ dị echi. As na ada agba aka ifo nwata eze. All I want you people to do for me is to help me clinch the OZOR title. And your lives will never remain the same. You will know no poverty again in your lives. Yes.
Jaja, what you are saying? All the kainu ndi Igbo na say na ahụrụ anọ n'elu nyo. Na agba ijiji gari, ọ na-efegharị na-achọ ebe o si. What are you really talking about?
Agotara m ebe ị na-eje. Asị na onye atụli n'ụkọwara ya na ego eji nọta nne ya na n'iyi. Smart. My elders, I am and still remain and will always be the primus inter parel et non vola shodu maintenance. Meaning, I am the most high and well respected in the whole world. Yes. What I have here is Egigwe, dollars. When you change it, your lives will not remain the same. My elders, Ebutego Mike Pentecost. I know they fear anybody. This is for you.
Thank you.
And this is for you.
Thank you. Ogrika, you haven't seen what he's talking about. You haven't seen it. King Jaja.
You can say that again.
King Jaja.
I love this.
Ogrika. Jaja, Jaja, Kaigeso.
I love this.
Money, JJ, Mona, Lala, Jaja, Kaigeso.
This is good.
Jaja, Kaigeso.
This is good.
Money, JJ, Mona, Lala, Jaja, Kaigeso. Jaja, Kaigeso.
I love this.
Money, JJ, Mona, Lala, Jaja, Kaigeso. Jaja, hey, Jaja, Kaigeso. I just say, Jaja, Kaigeso. Money, JJ, Mona, Lala, Jaja, Kaigeso. Jaja, Kaigeso. Hey! Where come from? Jaja, Kaigeso. Jaja, Kaigeso. Money, Jaja, Kaigeso. This is getting interesting. Can you imagine that we can make this kind of money in just one day? This title of a thing is becoming a big business. A desperate man can do anything just to gain that which he desires. That's the only explanation to all this. Yes, the three men are desperate for that position. They want to gain it by all means. But I am no longer getting comfortable with the way things are going. What do you mean? How do you intend to save yourself when the 3 men come at once? Or can't you read the handwriting on the wall? That we are cooking trouble for ourselves. Think about it. But we have collected the money. So what do we do now? We should be going. Whatever we see, we'll take it. At the end of it, whatever.
To tell you the truth, if they bring in more money, I will collect. Oh,
you collect?
I will collect. Oh.
Yeah.
Let us go.
All of them.
Give him. Let us go.
Bring your own.
Guys, if I can tell, I'll go back.
Come back here, bring them. You want to be trained?
I'm going empty-handed. Oh, am I loud?
Come out of here.
Just I love. How did that boy know that the envelope is 3? Iche, how did he know? There
is a setup somewhere. This is conspiracy. Look at everything. Everything gone.
Hey,
all my struggles.
All my
hustles. Hey!
Gladys. Yes, my princess. Who is he? I call him you mean? Who else should I be asking you? Well, he's a nobody. He's a common villager, just like the others. You speak with so much hate. Do you have any issue with me? No, my princess. But I'm just wondering how you developed interest in him. Anyways, for my sake, try to be nice. But he's not your type. Why would you reduce yourself to love somebody of such standard? Gladys, I think I have the power to choose who to like and who not. And I don't have to take permission from anybody. What do you mean? I'm sorry,
Princess, we should get to know each other.
know each other for what? Now, listen to me and digest what I'm about to tell you before it's too late for you. We have nothing to talk about, and I'm not interested in listening to what you have to say.
I like them stubborn. But I'll tell you, take your time. Prepare yourself to become my wife.
Really?
Yes.
In your wildest dream. Keep dreaming, because it will happen. Just keep dreaming.
It will happen. Oh yes. And when it does, I will remind you of this day. By then you'll be enjoying yourself in the warm embrace of your husband.
A good dream. Keep dreaming. We shall see.
Don't worry. Very soon you will make it. You know? You are a brave man. I know you will pull us out of poverty. The strength is in you. You will do it. You know? So don't allow anything make you feel that you are not doing your best. You are doing your very good best. You know?
Thank you, Mama. Mama, trust me. You know I'm a brave man.
Very brave.
Hey, Mama, before I forget, I met the princess on my way home. Mama, are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
I am not sure.
No, I'm fine.
Well, immediately I mentioned the princess, you reacted as if I uttered a taboo.
No, not really. It's just that I'm surprised you saw her.
Are you sure? Are you sure there's nothing attached to this?
Nothing attached. Nothing. Tell me, what happened when you saw her?
Nothing. Just that she was staring at me. But trust me now, I pretended not to notice her reaction. But you know my friends now, they can never shut their mouth.
What do you mean?
They told me the princess liked me based on how she was staring at me.
Please, help yourself.
Thank you.
You see, the easiest way to gain this position and end this conflict is to gain the heart of the princess. The moment you gain the heart of the princess, the king will have no option than to hand over the offer to you.
Oh no, is that all it takes? I mean, consider it done, because I'll do everything in my power to ensure that she becomes my woman.
Only the heart knows where it belongs. The moment you gain the heart of the princess, you will have no other challenge again.
No. I see no challenge. Yes, I see no challenge whatsoever. Because I have the capacity to make her my woman. Sometimes I wonder, what woman would resist a man like me? No.
It's alright. Please enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Oh no.
I have something special for you. This is for cola. As they say, whoever brings cola brings life.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
don't want anything from you or those your other power-possessed colleagues. Please, you guys should stop. You can't impress me. Am I the only woman in this kingdom?
And you are the only woman for me. Even if it means giving you the whole world, I will do that. Just to make you happy. Yes.
Really? But I'm in love with someone else.
And who is that?
Someone more deserving. Hello, sweetheart. Please come. Come. Instead of me to be with any of you, I'd rather be with a stranger.
Mr. Man, how dare you kiss my woman in my front? Are you mad?
He did not kiss me. I kissed him.
And he willingly accepted it?
Yes! Because I am the princess of this kingdom. I do whatever I want to do.
Smart, take me out of here before I commit murder. Take me out of here!
This is just the beginning. Just the beginning. I'm very, very sorry. Very sorry for the embarrassment.
Obviously, you don't need to apologize. I'm really honored to receive a rare kiss from you.
It's alright.
I'll be well able.
Okay. Do have a nice day.
My princess, what you did was very unfair. Why did you do that?
I don't understand. Listen, I need to tell him that I am serious. I don't want him. Is it by force? Am I a baby? How will someone be forcing himself on me? Please.
I'm very sorry. Very sorry.
Mama, the princess was here today.
Why? Why was the princess here? Obedi Chonye? Eh?
Mama, what is it? What is going on? Why is it anytime I mention the princess, you react in a strange way?
Hey! I don't care what she came here to do. I don't care whether you mention her name or not. I just don't want to see that princess in this house again. I don't want you to have anything to do with her. In fact, avoid her. Tell her to stop coming close to you.
Mama, it's obvious you have so much hatred for her.
No. Heaven knows that I don't hate her. Just that I don't want you to involve yourself in anything that will take you close to that palace. Just that.
This is getting mysterious. Mama, is there anything you're not telling me?
Bia, Akona, Biko. I don't want us to have issues. Biko, if you love and respect my wish, just do what I said. Ask for the man who hang out. Princess, the palace. My princess, my palace. Hey,
What is your name?
My name is Gladys.
I was told you are very close to Princess.
Yes, sir.
This is for you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
So tell me, who is the person Princess claimed she's in love with? feel free to talk to me, okay?
His name is Akolam, sir.
Akolam. And who the hell is Akolam?
I don't think you will know him. He's a village commoner, sir.
A village commoner? Trying to feed from the same plate with the master? He is indeed very bold. I see. And where does he live?
He stays by the Ikoku stream with his mother.
The place you just called sounds so disgusting. Alright, thanks for the information.
You're very, very funny. And that's why I love you so much.
Really?
Yes.
Wait. Are you saying now I'm the luckiest man on earth?
No. I am the luckiest woman on earth because I found my love and I told him that I love him and he willingly accepted it. Yes.
My princess.
Yes. Akolam, I want you to come and meet my father. Hello. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. The point is that it's too early for me to meet your father.
Just that. You just scared me. There is no problem. Just take your time. Anytime you're ready, I'll take you to my father.
You get the point now?
Yes.
That's just it.
I love you.
From the look on your face, I don't need any soothsayer or necromancer to tell me that my daughter is very happy. What is the secret?
Yes, Father. I am happy because I'm in love.
Wow. That is very wonderful. So finally you've accepted one of the men.
No, Father. None of them can help me. I'm in love with someone else.
And who could that be?
His name is Akolam.
What does he do for a living?
Father, he is a farmer, but I know very soon he will upgrade.
I forbid you saying this again. My daughter will not bring shame to my throne. That commoner has no place in your life when able men are looking around you.
But Father, I love him. It's my happiness we're talking about here. You want me to get married to one of those men because they are rich?
No. Because they are influential and have the capabilities of ruling this kingdom when I'm no more.
Wow, Father. Wow. So, after that, what would then happen to me?
Princess, I will not have this conversation with you anymore.
God. My princess, the worst has happened.
What are you talking about?
Muna is dead. Jesus. I saw his lifeless body.
Oh my God. Muna is what? Oh my God. Oh.
Talk to me. What is happening?
Father, Muna is an innocent boy. An innocent boy I used to scare Jaja away and then he was disturbing me. And now he's murdered. Isn't it obvious that he killed him?
I forbid you from saying that again. You can't talk ill of a noble man.
Father, we are talking about an innocent life that was taken away. And this is all you could say?
Now, do you have any proof that Jaja killed a young man?
Father, I don't have any proof. But I know for sure that that evil man killed him.
I forbid to hear this from you again. Go to your room if you have nothing more to say.
I caused it. That devil killed Muna.
That is not enough reason for you to cry. Okay? See, Muna must have had some issues with people. It might be a coincidence.
Can you just shut up? Shut up! What coincidence? What conflict with other people? What other proof do you have that that devil killed him? Before you, I kissed Muna. And before him, I did that. And now Muna is dead. Nobody wants to understand that he killed Muna.
I'm not saying I have proof, my princess. I'm just saying that you should stop crying and be okay.
Just go. Go! An innocent boy, just like that. And nobody is saying or doing anything about it. Everybody is supporting that devil.
You see it? I was not wrong when I said the princess is liking Akola. You see that little likeness is developing to love. That little likeness. Eh? The princess is falling for Akolam.
Do I sense jealousy?
Jealousy?
Yes.
Who is talking about jealousy here? I'm talking about myself. Indirectly. In fact, directly. Come, am I not a fine boy? Remember now, am I not a fine boy? That I will not be lucky for once. He said that somebody with one leg. He said that deaf and dumb coming for me. The other day it was Karo. Lenum le Karo. Karo was telling me that she loves me. She what is that one? She wanted to, she saw the both of us in a dream when we were trying to kiss. I said, eh?
Karo?
Yes.
Which Karo?
Karo Imbesilo. Nwadepo. Yeah. Karo was telling me that she wanted, this kind of thing is what Depot normally like. Depot is looking for whom to bundle his Karo and give to. And it is now me. Huh? Hey!
Aga, what are you even thinking? Your mind have traveled again. Each time we are here discussing as friends, your mind will just travel. So Kotonu, what is wrong with you?
I'm sorry. I lost in thought. I'm sorry. Please, what are you talking about?
No, we are talking about how I'm going to give Omite the Igwe to buy this kingdom. Give him advance. Keep lost in thought. Instead of you to be a hassle, planning on how to become the semi-king or semi-prince of this kingdom. As okay, don't miss road now. How do I say it? Hey, only don't miss road. And you are here telling me you're lost in thought. Keep lost in thought. Back to what I was telling you. See, I'm not happy. Seriously, I am not happy.
Come.
Good evening, sir. Back on, I'm right? Get him down.
Lie down. Come on, lie down.
I am the primus inter parel et novo la shodu maintenant. Meaning I'm the most high, well respected all over the world. As na wata bunyo kini, ngungu na mboliti sa ichiani. And the last one that try and seize the capability of his papa to via with lifter. Oyolima, which wise Naija optical. Akona, how dare you try and seize my capability? When you know that my frequency is on a high tension wire, how dare you? Akona. You know Princess, right?
Yes.
Is she your class? I said, is she your class?
No.
Is she your level?
No.
Can you maintain her?
No.
Can you buy her half-caste kit? I mean organic cream?
No.
Can you buy her bone straight hair? So what the hell are you doing with her? When you know you cannot take care of her. Hakona, thank your stars. I am serving a living God, a merciful God, who forgives me anytime I sin against him. Even if I shoot you right now, he will still forgive me. So give me one reason why I should spare your life. Give me one reason. I forgive you. If God can forgive all my iniquities, who am I not to forgive you? I forgive, but on one condition. Stay away from Princess. I don't want to see you 20 inches, 10 inches, 5 inches, even an inch close to her again.
Okay, please. I will.
Akona me bute go make Pentecost. I know they fear anybody. Nobody try and seize my capability and remain the same. Stay
away from my woman. I will not warn you again.
OZOR billionaire. Oboda Salokununa. Hey, Ndekwa bata n'obodo. Hey, Oboda Chalokununa. Hey, OZOR billionaire.
You mean this happened this morning?
Yes, ma'am. The experience was so embarrassing.
Oh, you are so much concerned about how embarrassing the experience was. Eh? Instead of you to thank God that nothing happened to you. You see what I have been telling you? Avoid that princess. Avoid her. Bikonu. Isn't I'm hating ya? Have you seen it now? Please help me. I can't stand anything happening to you. Bikonu wan bikonu.
Mama, nothing will happen to me.
I won't tolerate your stubbornness. Don't get yourself anywhere close to that princess again.
Nothing will happen to me, trust me.
I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Look at what has happened now. It's time trust you. Don't get yourself close to that princess again. Oh!
Oboda Salokununa. Hey, Ndekwa bata n'obodo. Hey, Oboda Chalokununa. Hey, OZOR billionaire. Hey, Oboda Salokununa. Hey, Ndekwa bata n'obodo. Hey, Obode Wilokununa. Hey, onye puna nazo foma n'onye nwe ya. Anazeza azo kanjoy. Challenge of power. Onye puna na manku. But the God knows the chosen one. OZOR billionaire. Oboda Salokununa. Ndekwa bata n'obodo.
We are men.
Hey, Oboda Chalokununa. Hey, OZOR billionaire. Hey, Oboda Salokununa. Hey, Ndekwa bata n'obodo. Hey, Obode Wilokununa. Hey, onye puna nazo foma n'onye nwe ya. Anazeza azo kanjoy. Challenge of power. Onye puna na manku. But the God knows the chosen one. OZOR billionaire. Oboda Salokununa. Ndekwa bata n'obodo. Oboda Chalokununa. OZOR billionaire.
Greetings, my princess. I hope all is well.
Yes, Mama. All is well. I came to see Akola. Is he around?
My princess, please, let me beg you as a mother. Please. Akonam is my only son. The only thing I have. Nenu Nana. He is all and all. One and the only one. I don't want to lose him. He's not your type. Your presence around him brings only but threats to him. Please, I beg you. Let him be. I'm just begging. I'm just begging.
Please, Mama. I don't understand. Did anybody threaten Akolam?
That is not important now. What happened because of you. Please, I'm begging you. Allow him to be. I don't want to lose my only son. Biko.
My people, I am the Primus inter pareo et novo lascio dument. That means I am well respected all over the world. I have gone far and wide. So, I am King Jaja, and one day I will be addressed as King Jaja of Ananri. So I want every one of you to support me to win the OZOR title. As you can see, I came prepared. I want you people to go around the village, convince people, anything that it will take, don't hesitate to call me. I will fund you more. I came prepared. Nobody try and since my capability remain the same. Yes, I've come to bring development into this community. Because you people are backward.
Yes.
Aren't you guys tired of all these old men?
Yes. We are tired of them.
Yes. We want youth in power. Yes. Youth must test the power.
Yes.
That's why I'm here. I'm here to change the change. Obunaz abaruzo weremba odechi. Abaro opankichi da kana yala ada abatia. Abatago meba opankichi da. Yotal. Asna wata na amu iri enu obi na-esi ike. Yes. Don't look at my size because I will tell you people that 13 and B look alike, but they are not the same. So I have come to change. So I'm going to share this money to every one of you. Go around the village. If the money is not enough, don't hesitate to call me.
Hey!
Yes. Money is not the problem.
For more?
Yes.
Hey!
Hey!
Oh! Baba, thank you. Jaja kai gesu. Oni jeje mona lala jaja kai gesu. Jaja kai gesu. Mona jeje mona lala jaja kai gesu. Jaja kai gesu. Oni jeje mona lala jaja kai gesu. Jaja kai gesu. Oni jeje mona lala jaja kai gesu. Jaja.
Good day, boss. Boss, Rex is out there running a serious campaign.
Seriously?
Yes, boss.
What do you mean by serious campaign?
He's busy convincing the youths to support him, boss.
I'll tell you what to do.
Okay, boss.
Then leave.
Thank you, boss.
Why are you doing this to me?
My princess, I am not doing anything to you. My princess, I am sorry how you feel. Okay,
I am sorry. It's not easy to be threatened by 2 different men in the space of 1 week.
Tell me, who among them threatened you? Believe me, I'm going to fix it.
Princess, I don't have to call names. You already know the 2 men fighting over you and your father's throne. And I am not up to their standard.
Stop saying this. You are a strong man, and you know that. You know that you are a strong man. Don't feel intimidated by those fools who think that the whole world revolves around them.
My princess, I wish I could ignore the happening, and I can't run away from the reality. Please, this relationship was a mistake in the first place.
What? What are you saying, Akula? Are you breaking up from me?
Yes. This is the only way to save all these things. This is the only way to solve all these things. And I want to save my troubling mother. My mother is important to me.
Please,
I'm sorry.
Please, Akom, you can't do this. Please. I'll fix it. Give me a little time, please. This pain has ruined my life. Don't ruin my life.
The youth of our kingdom.
Yes.
They say that seeing is believing.
Yes.
Jaja has proven himself.
Really?
To obtain the OZOR title.
Hey.
So I want you all to support Jaja. Money is not the problem.
Okay, what do we do now? What do we do now?
No problem.
See, as for me, now the money now they find.
Listen,
If you want to support them because now the money they find. If he win, you know, can't feed my family. That one when I collect that time, chicken, I'm okay with it.
Once you support Jaja, money is never the problem. You all.
You don't need to talk about money. Make that guy rich, you cannot see that money.
Please, I am begging each and every one of you to support Jaja.
I'm going to support them. No problem. Are
we supporting Jaja?
We just escaped death now. I wonder what I would have done if I was to go and meet God. Who are those men, Seth?
Are you still standing here asking me? I think they are Jaja's friend. Or who do you think they are?
My dear, I am no longer interested. I will not involve myself in that kind of activities again. I will not. You that love money so much. Forget it. My life is very, very important. Hey, me, the only daughter. What for? I don't want to die. I said you want to die. No, you didn't want to die. Look at them. Are you? Oh, you what are you doing? Don't fear. Me that is even seeing himself. I'm even scared. Please, let's go.
What's your name?
Abisi, boss.
What?
Abisi.
You?
Vitalis.
What about you?
Abacha.
What?
Abacha.
Your name is Abacha.
Yes, sir.
Do you know how powerful that name is?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
That's the name of the former president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, General Sani Abacha.
Yes, sir.
Who are you to bear that name? All right, get up. Oh, it's okay. Get up. Thank you. So I heard what Rex and Ojukwu did to you. You all need some education. You know that?
Yes, sir.
What did I say?
We all need education.
I say you all need some education.
We all need some education.
You, all of you need some education.
Yes. All you. And we all need education, yes.
So whatever you say, we will do.
Shut up. You need to go to school and educate your minds. Education is like a passport to a lot of opportunities. You're in this village because you're not educated. Listen, I promise to change your lives if you agree to my terms. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
What did I say?
Promise to change our life.
You agree to your terms.
I didn't say life, I said lives.
Okay,
3
lives.
of you.
Okay, lives.
See, you didn't go to school.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Like I said, I'll change your lives. But you must agree to my terms.
Yes,
what did I say?
We will change our life.
Change our life.
We must agree to your terms.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for honoring my invitation. You see, you're my cousin brother. And I'm so sorry that things turned out to be this way. But I invited you here to plead with you. Rex, I want you to step aside. You're making this competition very difficult for me. But it's not for free. I promise to compensate you once I win. An intelligent enemy is better than a stupid friend.
Are you also aware that a drunken fowl acts drunk when it has not met with a mad force? Jaguar, nobody try and seize my collaborator and remain the same. Don't let me unleash my madness on you. You want. No worry again.
My princess, why are you here?
I don't know why Akolam is doing this to me. I've tried all I could, but he's not listening to me. He does not want to talk to me. He does not want to see me.
My princess, then forget about him and stop tormenting your life.
I can't stop. I love him. I need Akolam. I am not complete without him.
I'm sorry about that. I didn't know you love him this much.
Yes, I do. In love, beggars and kings are the same. Akolam is my life. My whole heart yearns for him. I don't think I can even survive this night without hearing from Akolam.
Princess, you have to take it easy on yourself. Please.
Gladys.
Yes, Your Majesty.
So you are telling me that my daughter had refused to eat just because of that village commoner?
Yes, Your Majesty.
The earlier she gets used to not seeing him around, the better for her.
But she has...
My daughter, you can go. We don't have much to talk about the princess.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Where is the princess? Don't tell me you don't know where she is.
Forgive us, Your Majesty. We searched everywhere we could, but she's nowhere to be found.
And why did you allow her to leave the palace alone?
Highness, I didn't know when she left.
Yes, Your Highness. She didn't allow me to follow her.
And where could she be? Have you gone to that stupid boy's house to look for her?
Your Majesty, we did. But by the time we got to the boy's place, he was not around.
And you said she did not tell you where she was going to?
No, Your Highness. I saw her seated outside. I didn't know when she stepped out.
What does I greet you? My king, I'm so sorry. I'm really very sorry. Immediately I heard what happened, I started rushing down here. I'm really very sorry. Has anything been done about it? Have you informed the police?
Oh no. Presently we are not informing the police. We are waiting for the Ezemo to come and speak to us.
Ezemo?
Of course.
Excuse me, you know. Excuse me. We're talking about my wife to be. I mean, if someone goes missing, first thing you do is to inform the police. I can handle it. I have friends in the police. High-placed friends.
Because the custom and tradition of this land says when something happens in this kingdom, first Ezemo must speak to us before going to the police.
Even in a so. So we are waiting for him.
Your Majesty, you sent for him.
Yes. Send the other guards to go to that stupid boy's house and bring him here immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty. Thank you.
Please. I think there is a problem. The guards came to the house looking for you. I don't know.
Why?
I don't know. But I'm sensing that something might be wrong. I don't know.
What are they looking for?
I don't know. Okay, no. What is it?
The king wants you in the palace immediately.
Why?
So now move.
I don't understand.
You have to move with us now. We don't have time for that.
I'm not going anywhere. Go out to the king. I'm not coming.
Hello.
Talk about what's the problem?
Why go?
Please. He's not going anywhere now.
I don't understand.
What is the problem? What did he do?
Akuna, don't drag with us. This is the king's instruction. So now move. Move.
It's okay.
No. How can you go with them? No, now. Akuna, please.
It's okay. Just go. I'll be fine. Trust me, I'll be fine. Take it.
We don't have time to waste. Move it. Move.
Akuna.
Where is my daughter?
Where have you taken her? Your Majesty, I don't know where your daughter is. I cannot even remember the last time I saw her. Liar! If you don't disclose the whereabouts of my daughter, you will regret the first day you set these your miserable eyes on her. And who is banging on my gate?
Your Majesty, it's Akonam's mother.
Akonam's what? Mother?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Make sure she doesn't step her feet into this palace. Did you hear me? Now, lock him up. I don't know where. Take him! I don't know where I don't know.
May this girl not give us negative vibes.
My guy, sure matter. Only what you got to know is I cannot need a day for that junction with Rudy. Not your matter.
Hey, take it easy. Salty princess. Are you ready to answer my boss's proposal?
Time, let me go. And who are you guys?
Hey, listen to me. The profile does not matter at this time. What matters is for you to accept our boss's proposal and stay alive!
I am not accepting anybody's proposal. You fools should leave me alone. Untie me. If not, my father is going to deal with you fools.
Do you think you're playing? Do you know who and who is holding you captive in this place? Stop making a hell of noise.
Listen to me for the second time. Either you play the ball with us or you die. Bitch!
Man, she doesn't know who she's playing with.
Fucking tie her, bro.
Untie me, let me go!
Shut up!
Untie me!
Keep it shut up!
Tie.
If you're not scared, remove your mask. Let me see your faces. My father is going to deal with two people. You don't know who my father is.
Akara, not for you, Lolo.
You fools!
Akara,
untie me!
You die here.
Mama, please stop crying. You know Akram is innocent and God will vindicate him soon. Yeah, please.
God will vindicate him, I am sure. How can I stop crying? How can I stop? When they could not even allow me to see my son.
No, they will release him if they find out he's innocent.
Wait! No, wait! They're tormenting him. My son is innocent! And when he fall, man! Mama, stop crying. Stop crying like someone who does not have hope. Remember, God in heaven is seeing everything that is happening. There is no how God will allow this whole thing to happen like that. Akona must be vindicated. He must be vindicated. So don't cry. You're crying like someone who does not have faith again. Mama, I'm here now. Eh?
Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Akram is innocent.
He's innocent. Don't worry.
God will vindicate him.
It's a matter of time.
Hey, Chi. Hey. When I saw Akolam and the guard, I knew something was wrong. Ha!
Akolam cannot kidnap the princess. What will push him to such acts? Perhaps the princess is in love with him.
Yeah, so you said though. The issue is complicated. Even the Igwe himself believes that Akolam kidnapped the princess and they are about to leave the village. And they left the poor mother roaming around the village, demented, as if she's mad. Eh? Why are you doing this to this poor woman now?
Left for me. I will say one of the men kidnapped the princess for a reason best known to them.
How? Ibiakwa.
Ada, use your head. Can't you see they are fighting over power and the princess the same time? Maybe one of the men kidnapped the princess for himself.
Hey, you might be right though. But who will dare point a finger at them? Hey, nah, I don't know what is happening in this village.
Hello. How is it going? That's beautiful. I'm impressed. Yes. Nice one, nice one. Alright. Yes, nobody cries as my calamity I say. Because my frequency is on a high tension wire. I love this.
Celebrate.
At the message to a young man to a gabasi. Celebrate. At the message to a gabasi, ma to a giso. Your Majesty, I cannot see the princess. The person that is keeping her hostage uses strong powers to block her path. Yes. And until he frees her, I cannot see her whereabouts.
Are you telling me that the keeper of my daughter used charm to block her view?
You've said it all, Your Majesty. The person possesses great source of powers.
Chief Priest, you are the chief priest of this land. Are you telling me that there is power beyond your reach?
Your Majesty, the battle of the spirit is beyond what we see and understand. Great powers begat great powers. I have to walk through the path of the supernatural to reveal that which is hidden.
Chief Priest, do whatever it takes to find out where my daughter is.
Your Majesty, it will be done, but it will take time.
What else can I do? I have tried, but you refuse to tell me the truth. By the time I descend on him with my wrath, he will now know how strict I am with my words. And if by tomorrow morning he still refuses to speak, I shall send his head to his mother on a tray pan.
Shall be in a better position to hit that.
Look, I don't even want my own voice to be heard. Because even as I speak with you now, I am scared of my own voice.
We should be grateful that Ojukwu and the two men did not come after us, despite spending such money on us. That is why I use my tongue to come to you. I speak anything.
Yes, you are right. But remember that even trees have thoughts. Let us be mindful of our words. Let us be mindful of our words. Remember that the princess guard said that the chief priest used the charm to block her view. And you and I know that Akolam is not capable of such thing.
I don't know why I did this, but I just felt like helping you. Just hope I'm not doing the wrong thing. No.
I am giving you 24 hours to tell me the whereabouts of my daughter. I said 24 hours. And after that, you still persist with your stubbornness. I shall be forced to execute my judgment on you.
I don't know where your daughter is. I don't know how we're about. We're pleased to leave me.
Mama, there is trouble.
What is it? Okay.
I overheard the king telling your son that he has given him 24 hours to take him to where the princess is, or that he will rain judgment on him. And Mama, to be honest with you, you know what the king is capable of. I said I should come and tell you. And I have to be going now before they will suspect that I'm the one that told you. Eh? Mama, me, I'm going.
Gas!
Yes, Highness.
Bring that food in. Where is my daughter?
I don't know where your daughter is. I'll tell you the truth, I don't know where your daughter is. If I know where your daughter is, I will tell you. I don't know where your daughter is.
Now, talk to me.
I swear by Allah, I don't know where your daughter is. I don't know where your daughter is, Igwe.
Talk to me!
I don't know where your daughter is. I know my life.
Igwe, no! No! Igwe, what have you just done? What have you just done? Igwe, you killed your son.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Igwe, he is your son. Kibakora is your son. He's your son.
You don't have to be scared. I like what I'm seeing. And I would love to have you on my bed.
I'm sorry, my prince. I don't understand what you're saying.
Why are you acting so naive? Are you a virgin? Come on. Hey, come. You have not swept my room for days now. Can I know why?
I'm sorry, my prince. I forgot.
What?
I'm very sorry.
You what? Forgot to sweep my room? It's like you're tired of working in this house.
No. I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry, my prince. I'm not tired of working here. In fact, I like working here. Let me do that right away. I'm coming. Sorry. My prince.
What's wrong with you? I really enjoy it. You are very sweet. You deserve an applause for this. You can leave now. I said you can leave. Or you don't want to go? Do you want daddy to welcome your room? Come! Don't be scared! Come! Wow! This is my shoe.
Where is my son?
You know you're old enough to get married and give me my grandchild. I want you to get married and give me my grandchild, now that I'm young to take care of them.
Mother, I have not seen the right woman to marry yet. And all the women in this village, they are not my type. They are all local.
You better be careful. What is wrong with you?
Mother! I'm sorry. Can you see what she just did? Mother, I don't know where you used to bring all this in baking from.
Please, you can go away. Just get out. Just. I say get out.
Mother, don't mind her. As I was saying, I have this under control. Just let me fix things up for myself.
Prince, whether you have it under your control or not, all I want is my grandchild. Give me my grandchild.
Mom, I heard you. I will. Just give me a little time and I will get it all settled. Okay? Get you the best. Mom, don't give me that face.
Chim, what's wrong with you? Why are you crying?
Crying?
Yes, of course you're crying.
No, I'm not crying. I'm fine.
You know that is a lie. I've never seen you in such mood before. What's wrong with you? Share your problem with me. I can help you. Talk to me.
Nothing is wrong with me. I'm fine.
Chim, no, I know you very well. Okay? Talk to me. What is wrong with you? What's the problem? Talk. Chinwe, when will you open up and tell me what's wrong with you? Eh? When will you open up to me?
It's not.
I know you're pregnant. Yes. No matter how hard you try to hide it, it's just a matter of time before the king finds out. I know that is forbidden in this palace. Excuse me.
I heard your conversation. I hope it's not related to me.
The pregnancy is yours.
What?
Yes, you heard me. You're the only man that I know.
You must be joking. If you ever mention my name, I will kill you. Now listen and listen good. I don't want to hear you speak about this. What is your crocodile tears? It can't move me. Hope you understood all I just said.
My son said he saw you train up. What is wrong with you? I said, what is wrong with you? Can't you talk?
I'm pregnant, my queen.
You're pregnant for who? Eh? Who got you pregnant? You don't know. I hope you know the consequence of your action, right? A pregnant girl can't walk in this palace. So, you know what? Take this. This is your payment. Take your bag and walk out from this corner. Walk out from this palace! Make sure you go far from this place where nobody will see you, okay? I say get out! Stand up. Nonsense.
How can I carry this body? I mean, can I allow the child of a prince who raped and denied me to grow inside me?
I know it is painful, but God will see us through.
Take care of him. Make him grow like a strong man. Do not allow him near the palace for any reason.
Sister, why are you sending like that, sir?
No.
You're making me to be scared.
Nurture him and make him believe you are his own mother.
Sister, no, you cannot do this to me, sister. Sister, no.
But please remember, may his existence be a secret.
Sister!
Between you and I.
Sister, no. Sister, you cannot leave this child and go like that, sister, no. Sister, please, sister, oh, no, sister.
You mean I have killed my own son? And where is Chinwe now?
Yeah, Igwe. Raise him up. What to him? What are you still waiting for? What to him? Igwe. Fast. Let's take him out. Let's take him to the hospital. Good.
Essa moda.
Talk to us.
Talk to us.
Our king has traveled to the land beyond. He has joined his ancestors.
Hey! Why now?
The great Iroko has fallen.
Hey! Oh no! Why
The great Iroko has fallen.
This guy is weak. I already know that shit, you know. But we need to work according to plans. Sure. Understand? So we can get our head off this. Her father is already dead, so we need to take her off this place.
What are we waiting for then?
Let's do this shit.
Hey, something is happening in this village. What? Who could have believed that Akolam is the king's son and the king committed the abomination himself? Hey, Chineke.
Ada, Chineke, the king reaped what he sowed. What he did to Akolam's true mother was so abominable. And Nemesis caught up with him, even though he is not alive to feel the pains he caused for himself.
Abeg, it's okay. Enough of all this king's talk. I'm tired of hearing it. Even the hearing of his name alone gets me so mad. I don't want to hear his name again. Let's talk about something else. Let's go, Biko. Biko, let's go. Please.
My princess, you've been unconscious for days. You have not eaten anything, you've not had anything to drink. Please, what would you like? Let me make it for you.
Gladys, I don't want to eat anything. I want to see my father.
Well, you have to take something first.
I want to see him. I want to share my experience. My experience with him. Where is he?
Princess, you have to calm down. We lost the king.
No. What happened? Why? How? Don't tell me that, please. I want to
sit. Calm down, my princess. You have to take.
What happened? Don't tell me that, please. I want to
sit.
No. I want to. How my father? No. How can I lose my father? How? What happened? Was he sick for how many days? Oh my God. No. I can't lose my father. He's the only one I have. The only person I have in this world. Oh my God. You mean Akolam was my stepbrother?
Yes. He was before your father killed him in annoyance, thinking he was responsible for your kidnap.
No! My father cannot do such a thing. Akolam was never the person that kidnapped me. I didn't even see the faces of the people that kidnapped me. I was hearing unfamiliar voices. They kept talking to me. I didn't see their faces. But I suspect one of them should be those power-possessed men. Because from the comments of one of them, he said I should accept their boss if I want my freedom. Yes.
My concern is when we are you kidnapped and released immediately, the great calamity is before you. Even if the person responsible is one of them, how do we know the person? Or how?
No one has an answer to that misfortune. But now that the princess is back, I'm finding a way forward. Should be our top priority. Because the throne cannot remain empty after the king is dead.
Ndiche, you have all spoken very well. My princess, the future of this kingdom lies with you. Okwanya?
How do you mean?
You have to accept one of those men as your husband. Then, we will equally hand over the offer and crown the lucky man. Ndiche Okwanya?
Good for me. I cannot do a thing like that. I don't even love any of them. Why is this kingdom bent on destroying my happiness? Why?
My princess, we are not trying to destroy your happiness. All we are doing is the needful and looking for a way forward for an Inri kingdom.
Oh, the needful is for the princess to sacrifice her happiness for this kingdom?
My princess, you see, would you like to see your father's lineage to end with him? Eh? Or can you bear to see a stranger take over your inheritance for long?
We invited 3 of you here because of your magnanimity to the people of this kingdom. Though we have some other young men that have done so well for our people, but we found you people most worthy to come and lift the offer. Any of you that is able to lift the offer becomes the Agune Chamber 1 of American Kingdom. Then the princess will also be handed over to that person as a wife. Okwanya?
No, yes or no, we have said it all. Until that day, let us wait and witness whom the gods of our forefathers shall choose.
Mama, Mama, I know that my presence here will not bring back Akola. I am sorry. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. I killed Akola. I killed him because of my selfish desires. I killed my stepbrother. Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry. Mama, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
did not kill Kebakona, my son. You did not kill him. He was killed by his own father. Your father. And your father died of heart attack. After hearing the unforgiven truth. Please stop crying.
Kebakona, my brother. Mama, I did not know that Sakolam is my brother. I did not know, and I'm having desire for my own brother, Mama. I did not know.
It's okay.
As I speak today, so shall it be. The OZOR title will be mine, and I will become the next king of an angry kingdom.
And the throne is mine. Because nobody triumphs my capability and remain the same. My frequency is on a high tension wire. Yes. The throne is mine.
Mother, why? Why did you do this to me? Why?
Akonam, I'm so sorry. I am sorry that I kept the truth from you. It was not my intention. That was the word of your mother. I only carried out her dying wish. But what am I supposed to do? Should I have disobeyed her?
Mother, it's okay. Please, stop crying. Cry, it's okay. It's okay, stop crying.
An ant on his feet can do more than an elephant lying down. Akolam, son of Onoche, the kingdom awaits you. Yes, I have healed you. Go and get prepared, for tomorrow is the day. Yes.
Please, please, I don't mean to disobey you or dispute what you have just said. But please, I'm begging you. My son cannot be king. He can never be king of this kingdom. Please, I'm begging you. He cannot step his feet in that blood-sucking palace. I'm begging you, because
you cannot deny what was ordained. What happened was for a reason. The path of greatness is always full of thorns. We cannot be wiser than our ancestors. Everything happened for a reason. And you cannot fight what was meant to be. Akolam, son of Onoche, will sit on the throne of Aniri and rule as a king when the time comes. Yes. For if you must move mountains tomorrow, then you must start to lift stones today.
Oh yeah. Hey, you know say money no be problem. Abanya like if it money quote. You go see say money stop nonsense. Okwe go jino no. Hey, babanko no. Ochuku na woke jino kono. Nekwe go bogeni jizi no. Woke balinu woke jino kono. Hey, nothing will go happen tomorrow. Make it happen today. They don't say money no be problem. Oh, I now who be babanko no. Now who be onyenko no. Oh, ya call him babanko no. Babanko ya call him ezenko no. Now who be babanko no. Now who be ezenko no. The money too long go. Babanko no. In my negelika. You know say money no be problem. Abanya like if it money quote. You go see say money stop nonsense. Okwe go jino no. Hey, babanko no. Ochuku na woke jino kono. Nekwe go bogeni jizi no. Woke balinu woke jino kono. Hey, nothing will go happen tomorrow. Make it happen today. They don't say money no be problem. Oh, I now who be babanko no. Now who be billionaire? Oh, go that's a rock no. Think what bata no go. Oh, go that's a rock no. OZOR billionaire. Oh, that's a rock no. Think what bata no go. Obodo wiloko onye puna na sọfọ mọfọfọ l'onye nwe anazezazo kanjo challenge of power onye puna na manku but the God knows the chosen one. OZOR billionaire. Willokununu. Ndị nkwabata n'obodo. Obodo achalokununu. Ọzọ bilonia. Obodo azalokununu. Ndị nkwabata n'obodo. Obodo wilokununu. Onye ọbụla na-asọfa ma fọfa n'onye nwe ya. A na-aza eze azọ na ndụ. Challenge of power. Onye ọbụla na-ama nkụ. But the God knows the chosen one. Ọzọ bilonia. Obodo azalokununu. Ndị nkwabata n'obodo. Obodo achalokununu. Ọzọ bilonia. Obodo azalokununu. Ndị nkwabata n'obodo. Obodo wilokununu. Ọzọ bilonia. Obodo azalokununu. Ndị nkwabata n'obodo. Obodo achalokununu. Ọzọ bilonia. Obodo azalokununu. Ndị nkwabata n'obodo. Obodo wilokununu. Onye ọbụla na-asọfa ma fọfa n'onye nwe ya. A na-aza eze azọ na ndụ. Challenge of power. Onye ọbụla na-ama nkụ. But the God knows the chosen one. Ọzọ bilonia. Obodo azalokununu. Ndị nkwabata n'obodo. Obodo achalokununu. Ọzọ bilonia. Obodo azalokununu. Ndị nkwabata n'obodo. Obodo wilokununu.
Time is a teacher. Time lost is lost forever. Truth and morning become light with time. And now is the time that the real king of this kingdom will be revealed.
Ojukwu, I'm not afraid when I sleep because I know where the husband is. I'll do what you need so I can possess my position.
I told you stand down, but you refused. I told you. My friend, get it down, please.
Hello? A man is not defined by his pretty face or by his pocket, but by the content of his character. You have bad characters. What have you been able to do to touch lives in your community? Nothing. But I have. So this offer is mine. It belongs to me. Watch me take it. Ojukwu! Ojukwu! You lie. Ojukwu, your plans will not work.
Two rams cannot drink from one bucket at the same time. They will lock horns. Son of the soil, pick the offer. Let the land know who you are. Pick.
Ezemo. No!
Ezemo, how did this riffraff become riffraff? Why?
What is going on here?
Ezemo, there's a mistake somewhere! This is not over!
No mistake.
How dare you try against my capability? Basinta, I should know which.
Oh,
you hear from me. Yes.
Of
for money where hey. Thank you for today.
I ask again, is there more? How did this riffraff pick up the info? Why not me? Why?
For money where
It's 5 billion. Exactly. Where?
dream. What kind of dream was that? Oh, they were here.
No. Continue the career process. Do not be distracted.
What are you gonna do? Put that knife down. Everybody down! I said, put everybody down! Bastards. Oh. My friend, get up. Get up. You ate my money and gave someone else the crown. Now, take that crown off his head. Now, crown me. Crown me! Now, hail me! Help me! I said, help me! Help me! Do you have a problem with that? No. Do you have a problem with that? Do you have a problem with that, bitch? And you? Get up! Get up! Get up! This was really fun, right? Listen to me. Listen to me. Get up! You! Why are you looking at me?
Yeah.
Pull your later. Hey, brother. I've been waiting for you.
Silence.
You want to shoot me?
Huh? Silence. Hand over the crown to me.
Thanks.
Yes, I will do.
Alright. Let's go. Go ahead. Do it.
Shut up!
Hey. Be a shit.
No! Gods of our land, arise! Go and do the needful.
Why are you fighting over what belongs to me?
Can you please get up?
It is finished. Take their bodies to the evil forest. They have committed great evil in our land.
Yes. Yes. So much. Immediately. Okay. Keep your cutlass. Keep your cutlass.
Obodo asalọkụ n'ụlọ ndị nkwabata n'obodo obodo achalọkụ n'ụlọ ọzọ bilonia obodo asalọkụ n'ụlọ ndị nkwabata n'obodo obodo enwelọkụ n'ụlọ onye ọbụla na-asọ fọmọfọma na onye nwe ya a na-aza eze azọ ka ndụ challenge of power onye ọbụla na-ama nkụ but the gas knows the chosen one ọzọ bilonia obodo Salokununu. Ndị kwabata n'obodo. Obodo achalokununu. Ọzọ bilonia. Obodo azalokununu. Ndị kwabata n'obodo. Obodo enwelokununu. Onye ọbụla na-azọ fọma na onye nwe ya. A na-azọ eze azọ na ndụ challenge of power. Onye ọbụla na-ama nkụ, but the God knows the chosen one.